Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really happening out there? Thousands of satellites are moving silently through space. Rockets launch, space stations orbit the Earth, powerful telescopes look billions of miles away. And behind many of these missions is one organization, NASA. But what do we really know about NASA? Is it just a space agency, or is there more to the story? NASA stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was created in 1958 in the United States, during a tense time called the Cold War. America and the Soviet Union were competing to prove who was more powerful in science and technology. This competition moved into space and became known as the space race. NASA was formed so the United States could explore space and stay ahead. Over time, NASA became one of the most respected scientific organizations in the world. One of NASA's biggest achievements happened in 1969, when astronauts traveled to the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on the moon. His famous words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," become part of history. However, even today, some people believe the moon landing was fake. They question why the American flag appeared to move, why stars were not really visible in photos, and why shadows looked strange. Scientists have explained these issues many times. The flag moved because it was being planted and had a horizontal road. The stars were not visible because of the camera exposure. The shadows look different because of strong sunlight on the moon. Still, the debate continues. Big events create big doubts. Here is something surprising. The original high-quality tapes of the moon landing were accidentally recorded over years, later because storage tapes were expensive at that time. NASA admitted this mistake. Although copies of the footage still exist, the loss of the originals made some people suspicious. But sometimes mistakes are simply human error. Many people wonder if NASA has ever found aliens. Officially, NASA says it has not found any proof of alien life. However, NASA has discovered important clues. It has found water ice on the moon. It has found signs that Mars once had rivers and lakes. It has discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system, called exoplanets. Some of these planets are in the area where life could possibly exist. NASA scientists openly say that the universe is extremely large, with billions of galaxies. Statistically, it seems unlikely that Earth is the only planet with life. But until real evidence is found, the search continues. Over the years, strange objects have been seen in the sky. The US government has released reports about unidentified flying objects, now called unidentified aerial phenomena. NASA has started studying these objects scientifically. This does not mean aliens have visited Earth. It simply means that there are things we do not fully understand yet. Science works by studying evidence carefully, not jumping to conclusions. There have also been mysterious signals from space. One famous signal lasted 72 seconds and was so unusual that a scientist wrote the word "wow" next to it. Even today, no one knows exactly what caused it. It may have been a natural space event, or something else entirely. Space is full of signals, radiation, and strange activity. Not everything has a clear explanation yet. Many people do not realize that NASA studies Earth as much as it studies space. NASA satellites monitor climate change, storms, wildfires, melting ice, and ocean levels. Much of the data used in global climate research comes from NASA instruments. Some people believe NASA exaggerates environmental problems, while others believe NASA is helping humanity understand serious risks. Either way, NASA plays an important role in studying our own planet. There is also called the so-called dark side of the moon. In reality, it is not always dark. It simply faces away from Earth due to how the moon rotates. Some conspiracy theories claim that there are alien bases there. NASA has taken detailed photos of that side of the moon, and they show only craters and rocky surfaces. Mysteries often grows where imagination fills in the gaps. Recently, NASA launched the James Webb Telescope, the most powerful space telescope ever built. It can see extremely far into space and far back in time. The images it has sent back are stunning. Some discoveries have even surprised scientists, because they challenge previous theories about how galaxies are formed. This shows something very important. Science is always learning and correcting itself. NASA is now planning to return humans to the moon through the Artemis program. This time, the goal is not just to visit but to stay longer and build a sustainable presence. NASA also dreams of sending humans to Mars. Mars is a difficult and dangerous planet with radiation, freezing temperatures, and powerful dust storms. But step-by-step research and testing continue. So does NASA keep secrets? Like any large organization, especially one connected to national security, some information is classified. Certain technologies are shared with military. Some data is carefully reviewed before being released, but there is no solid evidence that NASA is hiding alien bodies or secret space wars. Many secrets turn out to be misunderstandings, incomplete information, or exaggerated stories. NASA has made mistakes. It has lost equipment. It has faced tragic accidents. But NASA has also achieved incredible success. It has expanded human knowledge. It has inspired millions of people. It has shown that humans can leave Earth and explore beyond. The biggest truth about NASA may be this: we are still at the very beginning of understanding the universe. Space is vast beyond imagination. There are billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Our planet is just a teeny dot in the massive cosmic ocean. Maybe one day NASA will discover clear evidence of life beyond Earth. Maybe humans will build cities on Mars. Or maybe the greatest discovery will be realizing how much more there is to learn. The universe is not small, it is not simple, and it is not fully understood. And that may be the greatest mystery of all. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Real Facts TV to get more interesting content.